So as we know, you all people are lost the marks even in half yearlies and your PT exams because of only reason is no proper reading skills. So now, at least for this session, try to read the question carefully and take your notebooks. Get ready with that. For every question, at least try to write if it is a numerical, if it is a something, anything related to the ray diagram. Try to imagine your conditions by your own methods. By your own manners, you can try to make something, ray diagrams or something, and make it everything well. That is what I will suggest. Now, so as I said, CBSE has been taken so many questions from Cambridge for preparing sample paper. So as we have, even I will compare with you also now. So let us start with the first question now. So hope all of you can able to see the first question. Question number one, if you'll read, so if you'll see the PDF name also, IGCSE is there. So IGCSE means you people can understand. That is Cambridge curriculum. Okay, it is one of the exam paper of Cambridge curriculum. So now let us start with the first question. So please all of you kindly read the first question and try to find your answer. Each and every question, as I said, actual time is 90 minutes in our board exams, but I will give you only 1 minute because 60 seconds, within 50 seconds, if you're able to find. So remaining time we can utilize to say like recheck your answer either you have been done correctly or not. So that is why averagely you'll get 1 minute for each and every question. So try to answer this question fastly. So please read all of you and try to answer. Sincerely, be sincere. If you are getting sleepy, wash your face, sit seriously in front of the laptop or phone and try to read the question and answer it. So first question I am asking Varshini only. Varshini, can you answer this question? Listen, read carefully and answer the question, please. Others, please try to call your friends. Let them join within 5 minutes. Everybody just try to call your friends and make them to join. So please read, Varshini. Are you there? Are you sleeping?
I'm there, sir.
Yeah, please read the question and answer. What do you understand the question and what is the options? Please respond me.
So the question is, which of the statements is false about a converging concave lens?
Yeah, converging lens. That is the first point which I have to be find it. Very good. So the reading skills should be there. So as we know, first mind, whenever you will read, as I said, the two methods of solving MCQ. So what is the two methods, Arvind? As yesterday I said, please respond. What is the two methods to solve? Yes.
Sir, we need to read the question properly, sir.
We have to read the question properly, and whenever you understand the question, then automatically regarding the question, all the things should come in mind. Later only how to proceed for the options. So as
Options.
you know,
Okay.
which statement about a converging lens is not correct, they're asking. Means incorrect statement we have to be informed. So now in this situation, as we know, converging lens means which lens, Ra? Mind should say that converging lens means what?
Convex lens.
Convex lens. That is what I want. So converging lens means it is a convex lens. So convex lens, totally it will form how many cases we have? Totally we have 6 cases.
Cases, sir.
One case it will form virtual and magnified image, and the remaining 5 cases the real and diminished, magnified, highly diminished.
Same as the object.
Yes. So first thing we have to identify it is which lens, Ra? Convex lens. Now,
Convex.
so as we know, are you people all the conditions is running in our mind or not? Kevin, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now read the first
Sir.
point. So what they are saying, a ray parallel to the principal axis of the lens is refracted to the principal focus. Right or wrong? A ray,
Correct only, sir.
yes, a ray parallel to the principal axis will be refracted to the principal focus. Is it right or wrong? Please
Correct, sir.
correct.
Correct only, sir.
Right. Next, all rays of light refracted by the lens pass through the principal focus, they are saying. So now let
No,
it
sir.
be
Wrong,
this
sir.
point. Now let me wait one more thing. Let us confirm with another thing. Next, the distance between the center of the lens and the principal focus is called as focal length. The distance between the center of the lens and the focal principal focus,
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
focal length. Is it as? Others, what are you doing?
Correct, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
So also correct. Next, the principal focus of the lens is a point on the principal axis. Is it right or
Yes,
wrong?
sir. Correct, sir.
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
sir. Correct.
We'll take the principal axis, then every point, optical center and the principal focus as well as 2F, everything is lying on the where? Is lying on the axis only, principal axis only. So these three statements are correct. So now if you have the second statement, what is the second statement, guys? Please respond.
Sir, that is wrong, sir. Second
So
statement.
the distance between the center, all rays of light reflected by the rays pass to the principal focus. Is it true? No, because
No, sir.
yes,
No,
because
sir.
the light ray which passes through the optical center will go in a straight line. The light ray which is falling principal means which is falling parallel to the principal axis will go through the focus. Next,
Focus.
any other like lot of rays we have, correct? Which will go with the different directions. So here all the light rays is not going through the what? Principal focus.
Principal focus.
That is why B option is wrong. Do you understand, everybody? Others,
Yes, sir.
new person is joined, so you people are not informed to anybody. Prasini, you also respond. Karthikeyan, others you just kindly call them. What is this? Yes, okay. So this is what. Hope all of you understand. Is it correct? Yes. Kindly respond me. That is. Now this is the first question. Now let us go with the second question. So now let me see who will answer this. Make it fast, everybody. Very simple question. So this is what competency based questions. They will keep the name called as competency based question. Nothing will be there.
The parallel sided glass blocks, sir.
You people will easily finish this question within fraction of seconds. This is what it is. So please all of you read carefully and try to answer.
Sir, option B.
Option B, sir.
Option B. Yes. So this is the picture where you can observe. So you can observe very carefully.
Refraction takes place, sir.
Yes. So as we know, basic picture if you observe carefully, what is happening? So this is the refracted glass law. Is it yes, guys? So kindly if you observe,
Yes, sir.
if you insert the one incident ray, what will happen? It will deviate and it will go like this. So now they are inserting two rays. So in middle they are not showing, they are becoming parallel. So this is what they are showing. Have you noticed it, guys? That's all. Correct? Please respond me. So now it will be happening in the case of Vendra. They become parallel. Emergent ray and the incident ray become parallel. In the case of when? Please respond me. In the case of only, please, when? In the case of glass slab. So
Yes, sir.
glass slab is the correct answer. That's all. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is, you have to understand it. So that is, hope all of you understand. Second question, Karthikeyan, what are you doing? Why are you silent every time? Prasini, you also. Why you people are silent? So okay. Try to answer the next question. So third question you can see. This is what exactly very simple question. You can answer easily. So a boy wears a shirt with a letter F on the front. He stands in front of a plane mirror. So what does he see in the mirror? So please all of you try to remember and answer. So as we know, plane mirror characteristics. By this time, mind should come. All should come.
Virtual.
Yes. Virtual, erect. So for this one, if you feel
Option A.
fine. If you feel difficulty to find, start
First
eliminating.
option, sir.
Yes, start eliminating. So start eliminating because elimination option is there. So it is inverted images. Is it inverted images is possible by plane?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Then Arvind, you said the option C or D?
Yes, sir.
Option A. Okay. So option C.
Option A.
First. Option C, you eliminate first.
B
Sir,
won't
yes,
come, sir.
sir.
It is the same object, sir.
So option A is
Option A, sir.
So as we know, what is the property of plane mirror? It will form laterally inverted. Have you noticed it?
Laterally inversion. Laterally
Yes,
inversion.
sir.
Inverted.
Laterally inverted means, what do you mean by laterally inverted? So others, if you are silented now also, it is very bad, I am saying. Laterally inverted means if you will stand in front of the mirror, left, our left will be appears to be right and our right will be appears to be left.
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 Is only called as, what we should call, lateral inversion. Is it yes or no? Lateral inversion. So according to that property, which one is correct? Anybody can say? Which one?
Option A.
A.
Option A.
Option A, sir.
That's all.
First
So,
option.
by eliminating options, is it able to finding easy or not? You understand? Yes, ambulance also. Very good. Kevin. I understand, Rak? Karthikeyan, are you sleeping? Arya, what are you doing?
Sir,
Yeah, that is, try to speak. Karthikeyan, what are you doing? Are you sleeping?
No, sir.
Then why are you not responding? Simply you are sitting. Now, let me see this question who will answer. A small boat in a harbor. Try to understand carefully. Try to see the picture in your view, your horizontal view. Then you people can understand. So let me see who will answer this question. So find it. It is a question which I am giving you. Very serious, right? This question is more important question. So let me see. This is the question fully. So 4 options I have given. Try to find your answer. Take this question. Like this is more you have to think. So I am giving you a little bit more time also. All of you kindly do it.
Sir, refraction.
You have to give explanation also. Anybody can answer? Some waves can curve around the harbor walls and reach the boat. What is the name of this effect they are asking? So kindly please answer. It is very simple question. So if you understand that, you can able to answer this. Please read the question. Anybody? What is the question? Can you able to read anyone, please?
A small boat in a harbor is protected from waves on the sea by harbor waves.
Harbor walls.
Yes, sir, harbor walls. Some waves can curve round the harbor walls and reach the boat. What is the name of this effect?
Yes. So now bending you are observing. Is it yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So now, if you'll observe very carefully, so what do you understand, Arya? Can you able to say this from this question? What do you understand this? What they are saying? At least can you able to explain? This is the typical question where you have to spend little more time. So unless until if you are cannot confirm, you are not supposed to do. So now let me see who will answer. Please. So Padmavarshini, as he said, reflection won't be possible. So observe the phenomena and you leave it. And you please tell me. So what is the phenomena? Anybody can say? Yeah, please.
So waves, when it reaches the harbor walls from one medium to another medium, so it will refract. I thought like that, sir.
Yes, yes. So as we know, bending they are talking. They are talking about bending of light. So as we know, bending of light in the sense of what it will indicate, guys? Anybody can answer? Others,
Refraction of light.
why are you sending the chart? Diffraction, Kevin. What do you mean by diffraction, Kevin? That is when you are doing something that you have to think. So now, if you observe the question, a small boat, they are saying what they are saying. Someone is sending in chart. Bending of light. Okay, Madhumita. So if you observe this question carefully, a small boat in a harbor is protected from waves on the sea by harbor walls, they are saying. So if you observe the picture also, somewhere it is the light ash color you are seeing, that is called as land, correct? So now we have, this is called as land. Now here a small boat is present and these are called as what? Arvind, Kevin, what we should call this one?
Harbor wave.
Harbor walls.
Harbor walls.
Harbor waves, not harbor walls. So now they are asking if the waves are appears to be like a bending. What is that? Appears to be like a bending. Then what is the phenomena present here? They are asking. So if bending of light will take place when refraction or reflection or dispersion, and it is diffraction. Now, if you are confusing with this, then again go with the phenomena called as our second approach of answers, efficiency. So that is called as, what is that called as? Please respond. What is that called as? Diffraction, dispersion, reflection, and refraction. So now, first eliminate the answer and you tell me. So as Kevin said, answer diffraction and Padmavarshini said refraction. So now you can see elimination options. Two options we can eliminate. So one is dispersion of light. Is it we can eliminate or not? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
You can eliminate or not? Dispersion. Please, because dispersion of light means what? In chapter 2 it will come dispersion. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So splitting of light. Correct? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, as we know, next one, reflection. What do you mean by reflection?
Reflection won't come,
Reflection is done by what?
Sir, reflecting same
Done
way.
by what? Reflection is done by what?
Light, sir.
Yes. So now, I will say you try to understand very carefully, guys. So if you'll observe in our textbook, one paragraph starting, I think, NCERT, you may be heard a word called as diffraction. So here answer, reflection also won't come. Either it may become refraction or diffraction. Is it yes, guys? Please respond. Yes? Yes. Now, if you'll observe very carefully, refraction means you can see the bending of light. Understanding if when the light is traveling from one medium to another medium, based upon the density, it will bend. That's all. That is what we should call as refraction. Is it yes, guys? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Diffraction means, so here if you'll observe very carefully, first I will explain you what do you mean by diffraction. So diffraction means the spreading of waves around the obstacles. Means in the sense of whenever the light rays are coming, for example, let me imagine this is the light rays. Now, if I will keep some kind of obstacles in the sense of like this I have been kept. Have you noticed it? Is similar things is present here. What is that called as? Harbors. Have you seen? Harbor walls. Harbor walls. This is what we should call as harbor walls. Understand, Ra? Please
Yes, sir.
respond. Now, through this small hole, light will pass us and it will spread into larger area. So this phenomena is called as, what we should call, Ra? What we should call? Diffraction. Understanding? So diffraction means in the sense of a light which is coming from the small hole will make it, understanding, which will encounters an obstacle and it will start spreading over the small opening. That is called as diffraction. Now, if you'll observe in this picture, it is similar to the what, guys? So some waves can curve around the harbor walls and reach the boat. So what is the name of this effect? What is the name of this effect? Now, can anybody answer? Madhumita, Tarani, Prahasini?
Diffraction.
What is the answer?
Diffraction, sir.
So, diffraction is the answer. Understand, Padmarshini? That is why I said. So, elimination method you have to go. So, here if you'll observe, diffraction means a light, see, everything is covered with the harbor walls, but still something is reaching to see the small boat. That is, the light will pass us through that and it will make it to spread larger area, like a TV signals. You can notice it. So this is the phenomena which we should call as, what is this phenomena called as? Diffraction. Understand?
Diffraction.
Diffraction. So now, if you want, if you open your textbook and the starting first page, I think some yellow color tabular column will be there. So the tabular column diffraction word will come, and they used to mention that you people will study in the higher classes. As I have been explained you in our school classes also what is diffraction. So, and I said only definition and higher classes you will study that. Is it there or not? You can verify. Those who are having science textbook now, you can check it. Is it diffraction is there in that yellow color box or not? Starting pages it will be there. First 1 or 2 pages. Understand, Ra? Please respond me. So, at obstacles, light will start bending and it will start moving. That is only called as diffraction. Simply, if you want to say. Do you understand, Ra? So, the spreading of waves around the obstacles is known as diffraction. Do you understand, Ra? Please respond me. So now, based upon that, you can answer this. So here, who is the obstacles, Akhil Arfan? Can you answer me? Who is the obstacles here? Harbor walls. So across this harbor walls, the light is bending and it is spreading. That is why this phenomena is called as diffraction. Understand, Karthikeyan, Madhumita, Prahasini? Okay, guys, everybody. So you eliminate the options, then at least you have a 50-50 chances. So I don't know how the Kevin guessed this question. But anyhow, he has been done guessed correctly. So this is also wrong. That's understand, Prahasini, Padmavarshini, Varshini? Yes. So that now let me see this question. Don't take more than 5 seconds. Let me see this question. Who will answer? Karthikeyan, Arya, Aravind, anybody can answer. Varshini, are you there? Be active and respond. So what the question? Question number 5. Let me see who will answer. By this time, you maybe say the answer. Very
See, sir.
option.
Sir, wait, sir.
That is like, why are you in a hurry? This is the same thing you will commit in an exam also. Every time I am saying you, it's not here running race. We are not running. You have to win. There is no kind of another thing. Go slowly and think carefully and answer. If once you will say something, then you have to stand on that option. That is why you are committing mistake always. I said read the question. Read the question, someone. Read the question, someone.
An object is placed in front of converging lens.
Converging lens. Wait. Akhil, what do you mean by converging lens? Karthikeya. Karthikeyan, are you there in meeting? Madhumita? If you are silent, you leave
Yes,
from
sir.
the meeting. Yeah, tell me then. What is that? Converging lens means what? Converging lens means what? Huh? Convex.
Convex.
Yes, yes, you have to speak, that is. So convex lens. Now, before going to see the image, you have to analyze the question. So now the lens has focal length f. As we know, f, you know, what is that? 2f also will be there. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what is the characteristic they are asking? Varshini, can you read it? So what they are asking? The lens produce a real enlarged image. So real enlarged image. What is the case? Prahasini, can you guess it? Real and enlarged image. So now real and enlarged image means where is the object kept up between, guys? Between F1 and 2F1.
F1 to 2F,
Correct?
sir.
Between F1
F1
and
and
2F1, if you place the object, then definitely it will form image on beyond 2F2, beyond 2F2
Yes, sir.
and highly,
Enlarged.
magnified or enlarged image. So now observe very carefully in the picture. Now, which is the correct object position they are asking? A, B, C, D. So what is that? Can you
B,
able
sir.
huh?
B.
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 That is why. So understand, Padmavarshini, 1 second will change your life. So how much it is changes answer. C become B and B become C. That is what. Think carefully because so as we know, C means in the sense of what, guys? Object is placed at exactly where? Exactly placed at F.
F.
So, and here they are mentioning the picture. This is 2F. So we want between F1 and 2F1. So what is the correct answer, Kevin? This is
B,
the
sir.
position. So
Sir,
what is the correct position? Object
B.
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 That-
Object B.
understand all of you? Others?
Yes, sir.
Kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
So is it a difficult question? Basically, they will ask you in our general life, like suppose if a normal exam, Arya, you also not at all involving. So general exam, what they will ask you, draw the ray diagram when the object is placed between F1 to F. Do you understand what I'm saying? Normal, if there is no MCQ exam, generally they will ask you, draw the ray diagram when the when the object is placed between F1 and 2F, F1 to F. Or else they will ask you, write the characteristics of an object when the object is placed between F1 to F. That is they will ask you. Yes or no? So very simple. So, but now here it is competency based question and that too it is MCQs. So what they will do? Simply they are adding something and they are giving the picture itself here. That is what we should call as competency based questions. Understand, Karthikeyan? Everybody? Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
That's all. Nothing will be different here. So that is what you have to understand. So let us go with the next question. Next question, I hope you people will shock. Let us see. So that is also very simple. This is what I said. Let me see this question. Who will answer? So one is constant. Even recently also I said this. So one is constant regarding this. So light waves pass from air into glass and they are refracted. What always remains constant when this is happening? So it has been experimentally proved. Yes. Okay.
Wavelength. Wavelength.
So observe very carefully. This is what I want to explain you also. So that phenomena and all experimentally we people will study in the only 12th class. When the light is following, sorry. Yes. When the light is falling through the rectangular glass slab, understand? So now listen, first phenomena, bending of light will take.
From glass, it add to glass, sir.
Yes, bending of light will
Moves away from the
yes,
normal.
the direction will changes. That's all. Next,
Sir.
speed also, as we know, if density increases, speed will decreases. or
Speed
not?
decreases.
So
sir.
speed also changes, sir.
Speed also changes. That is also you have to remove. Next, only two options are eliminated. Two options is remaining. One is what? Frequency. Another one is what? Wavelength.
Frequency and wavelength.
Wavelength.
As we know,
Wavelength.
general case we have been studied in the case of second chapter. Wavelength is
Yes,
inversely
sir.
proportional to frequency. Correct? So one is increasing, one is decreasing, one is decreasing, one is increasing. So that is what. But here you observe very carefully, guys. if you'll see in the rectangular glass slab, actually, I also not that much clear about this actually. Still, I have also confusion. Even I have been mailed this one to the HC Verma sir also. Well, let us discuss this more in detail. Now is not. Now you can see they are saying that light, when it is passes from air into glass and it is refracted, they are saying that what is always remains constant when this is happening. So wavelength also will changes. As we know, speed changes. So speed decreases. What will happen? Wavelength also will changes. Yes or no, guys? Speed increases, decreases, and depend on the wavelength. Correct? So they are saying that when the light is passes through the rectangular glass slab, the frequency of the light does not changing. Okay. So then my question is, if the frequency does not changing, then automatically wavelength is also constant. Is it, yes, guys? That is what, because both are inversely proportional to each other. So, but still a lot of confusion with this question for me also. So that is why, but answer is frequency. Frequency is the one which remains constant when the light ray is refracted and it is bending, moving from air into the glass. So about this question, I will give you more information and more clear very soon once I will get the response from the HC Verma. Okay. So now this is all about it. We'll leave it. Now this question, let me see who will answer. So this question very fastly. Don't take less than 30 seconds. You people can finish it. So similar question you may be seen in the sample paper. Yes, guys. Not similar question. Diagram. Is it? Do you remember? Diagram.
Yes, sir, at 0 degree.
Yes. Varshini Bensi, you have been chosen 45 or 90, I think, in half-yearly exam. I don't know what manners you have been read the question. So let it be. That is according to your view. I don't care. But the same picture is coming here. But the question is some other thing. Anybody can answer. We have less than 1 minute to end the meeting. You have to answer.
Sir, can you say critical angle once again, sir? What is critical angle?
Once again, how many times I should say, Padmavarshini? Critical angle means the angle of incident where instead of refraction, it will bend again into the same medium. That is called as critical angle. That is.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Instead of refraction, actually it needs to go like this. But